Shopify tutorial for beginners, choosing a theme, and easy customization tutorial. Hi guys, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Shopify and how you can use it to customize your store. So let's get into it. So after you've signed in and you have added the product, you are good to go. Next, we'll need to go ahead and edit our online store. So in the last video, we added our sneakers right here. We added the product. It was very simple. Uh, just a quick rundown on how you can do that. Simply come into the product section on the left hand side, click on add products, and you can go ahead and fill out this form and you are good to go. And then just simply click on save over here or save at the top, and your product has been added and it'll automatically be active. So for you to, sell it online. But just in case, I'm going to go ahead and add a few more products so that we can go ahead and make it look appealing when we go to customize our store. I've added two more products. I've added a basic plain t-shirt and some regular fit jeans, some sneakers. I think this looks good. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and edit our store. So to do that, we just simply go in underneath sales channels and click on online store. And over here, we'll click on theme. It'll open up right here, as you can see right here. And what we want to do is we want to edit it out. For the default theme, it's going to be set to dawn. You can go ahead and change it to any theme you want. All you have to do is just simply click on the add button right here. So if I wanted this theme right here, this is the dawn theme. It's already added. So we'll go ahead and add the other one, like the craft one or sense. We just simply click on add and we are good to go. There you go. As you can see, it's installing right here. Give it a couple of seconds, and once it's installed, you can go ahead and customize it or publish it as well. So if you have all this theme set, what it will do is it will take all the information from that store, like all the images and all of the good stuff, and import it into the other theme that you have added. But for now, we're going to stick with the dawn theme that we can see right here. So you can go ahead and remove it right here by clicking on the three dots and clicking on remove, and there you go. So let's go ahead and edit this theme out. We're going to click over here and click on customize. It's going to open up in another tab right here. Now, as I said before, you don't need to do a lot of customization. As you can see, it's a very basic theme. Don't need to, go crazy on the edits. Just need to add a few images, maybe change up the colors, and you are good to go. So for now, we're going to change the background image. We'll click on edit. If you already have your own background image, what you can do is click on select from library or remove it, or explore the free images if you want to. But if you already have one, just simply click on select from library and select a theme that you've already added and select an image that you've already added. Or what you can do is go ahead and explore the free images. So this is the free image that I added, but for now we're gonna go ahead and change that up a little bit. So we're going to go into shopping and fashion. Maybe we'll find a cool image right here. So just select the image that you like. It can be anything. It can be this one or this one, go ahead and select the one that you like. And once you've selected it, just simply click on select. We're going to go with this because it matches some of the products that we have, like the plain shirts. We already have the plain shirts. Next, what you can do is you can go ahead and change up the product placement. So over here we have the feature products, right? If you want to change it up, come over here onto the left hand side and you will see you have your options right here. So you can see you have your header, you have your welcome to store, which is right here. You have your header option, the hero option right here. You can add different blocks in it. Then you can add the section, and down below you have the browse our latest products, which is this one. Then you have the button, which is right here, and then you have the feature collection. To add a new block, just simply click on add block right here. You can search for different blocks right here. You can add a text, app, or whatnot, or what you can do is you can just simply go ahead and add a new section entirely. So if you click on add new section, you can see you have product, feature collection, or collection list if you have many. Image with text, so you can add like a simple image with different text, image banner, slideshow, college. So you have multiple different types of options that you can add. So if you have a lot of let's say products, you can go ahead and add a collage. And if you want to add like reviews and testimonies, you can add a multi-column. This will allow you to add different reviews and testimonies to your store. So you can highlight them. Great product. I really love this product. So highlight decent reviews, so you can use that multi-column for that. But yeah, if you want to highlight a top selling product or a product that you really want people to buy, you can go ahead and select a featured product. This is a great way to showcase one of your top selling products as well. So we're going to click on featured product. As you can see right here, this is how it will look like. Now we want to place our product right here. So to add the featured product, we're going to click over here onto the left hand side. We have the variant picker right here. Now to actually go ahead and select the product, what you will do is you will select the entire section or the block. Over here on the right hand side, you will see you have products, right? You have featured product, and now over here you will have the button to select the product. Simply click on select the product, and now you can go ahead and select a product that you want people to buy, or a featured product. So let's say we want our shoes, our low top sneakers, to be the featured product. We're going to click over here and we're going to click on select at the bottom, and there we go. We have now the low top sneakers as our featured products. The prices, the size, all of that has now been imported. So this is how you do it. Now let's say you want to add, let's say, another section, or you want to move this section. You can just simply click on these three button column right here. It's very small, but you can see it. Just simply select it and move it up where you want. So all right, so we'll just move it right here underneath the featured collection. Click over here. So there you go. A person comes onto your main store, sees the featured products. Down below is the featured products, more featured products. And let's say we want to add now a testimony. So we'll add a section. We'll add the multi-column. We'll click on multi-column. It has been added right here. Now you could go ahead and edit it out. So for the heading, we can call it testimonies or reviews. And over here, you can manually input the reviews. But if you want to make it automatic, what you can do is you can add an application of sort. There are different applications that you can use for reviews. So let me just show you. Let's say for now this is done. We'll click on save. We exit the store. We now go into find apps, and over here we want to click on Shopify App Store, and over here you can see you have different options right here. So this one is a it's really popular right now, Judge Me product review. So this will allow you to import reviews of your product within your store, as you can see right here in these example images. So this is how it will look like, right? So you can do a bunch of different stuff. You can find different applications for your store as well. But yeah, let's say once it's done, you want to view your store. Well, let's go ahead and view it. We'll click on the eye icon, and it's going to take us over here. So over here you can see this is how our store would look like. Very simple, nothing too crazy. You will have your options right here: home, catalog, contact. You can change this up as well in the editor to whatever you want. But yeah, mostly we keep it simple, nothing too crazy. But yeah, once it's done, you are good to go. So that is how you do it. That is how you edit and customize your store within Shopify. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.